When you mix chemicals like ammonium borate or boric acid with methanol, you will get a mixture that will give green flames. That's what we are going to test with. So I'm going to put a little bit of this mixture to this watch glass. So let's see how it burns. As you can see, this is like bright green color. The reason behind this color is quite simple. I just use methanol as the fuel. Methanol do not give any kind of particular color while burning, but the chemicals like ammonium borate or boric acid will actually give green color while burning. Electrons in these chemicals will absorb this heat energy and emit this energy as radiation in the green or blue spectrum. So that's why we are seeing this color, green or blue color, while burning these kind of chemicals. There are other chemicals that can give other kind of colors also. Some kind of chemicals will not give this kind of like radiation in the visible range, so we can see any kind of color in them. That's why some kind of materials are colorful in nature and some kind of materials are not colorful in nature. Hope you understand. Share your thoughts in the comment box and please don't forget to subscribe this channel. See you in the next video.